Hey, my name is Bobby. I found your website here by searching for spray foam insulation in Maple Ridge. I had to go all the way to almost the bottom of page 2. I noticed a couple of things that you could do to rank better that are really simple for you to do, so I wanted to share them with you. So the most important words that Google looks at is your title tag, which is this blue line right here. And let me scroll all the way down to find you. Right here. So this is the title tag. So what you're telling Google is that you really want to rank for wolf spray foam locations. So let me show you how important this is. I'm just gonna, oopsies. Let's try that again. I'm just going to copy and paste it into a brand new Google search. And there you are, number 1 for your title tag. Of course, nobody will be actually looking for, or very few people will actually be looking for wolf spray foam locations. So when we help businesses rank, we want to help them make sure that the title tags exactly matches what they want to rank for. We want Google to be crystal clear on what you want to rank for. This alone may not get you to the first page, so we might check your H1 tag as well. And let me just show you how to do that. So we'll go back to your website. Now, don't get overwhelmed here. We're just going to have a look for your H1 tag. And it appears that you don't have one. So a properly set up website will have an H1 tag, and it will basically have a statement including a keyword on what you want to rank for. So again, you telling Google exactly what to rank for. So make those tweaks and your rankings should start improving. And because you're basically on page 2 for Maple Ridge spray foam installation, it might even get you to the bottom of page 1. Again, my name is Bobby, and if you want help with this or any other ranking factors, just hit reply. This is what I do. I help businesses locally rank higher on Google and get more customers. Talk to you soon.